Okay, sir.
Very good afternoon to one and all. Myself, Mr. Mahbudur Rahman, Assistant Professor in the Department of Food Engineering in KK College of Food Technology, Nasik. Today, I will cover practical of Babcock and Wilcox boiler. So, you are seeing here the model of your Babcock and Wilcox boiler. So, this boiler is also called as our fire tube boiler. Here we are seeing that it consists with stop valve, safety valve, manhole, then steam gauge, water gauge, feed valve, air regulating door, blow off and down, cock, then damper, then counterweight, then chimney and trolley. So we can say that if it is consisted all these parts, so see here which is our stop valve, this is our stop valve, and this is our okay, and this is our safety valve, okay, and it is our trolley where our fire comes here, okay. So this will be work on our drum cell that is filled with water, okay, that is filled with water, and a constant water level that is maintained up to 2/3 part in the cell, and water from the drum flows through inclined tube via downtake header. Obviously, we can say that the circulation of water is maintained by connecting currents, and the hottest water and steam rise from the tubes to uptake header, and then it will comes to our water circuit, and the steam vapor skip through water to the upper half water circuit, and hot combustion gas produced by burning fuel on the gas rise upward. During their travel, the gas give their heat to water and steam is generated. So the steam collected in water drum here, and after that whatever the hot gases that will be exposed and the steam passing through them get superheated. When steam is red, and from cold boiler, the superheater should be flooded to avoid its burning, and the superheated steam is finally taken out through the stop valve and supplied to the engine when needed. So we can say that the silent aspects of this boiler are draught loss is minimum, okay, as well as we can say that the replacement of the defective tubes can be made readily, and until it has capability to cope with high peak loads which are generally needed at thermal power station, and inspection can be carried out even when in operation. So this is all about our Babcock and Wilcox boiler, and we can say that it is all of it is also called as our fire tube boiler. So thank you for watching.